When inspiration strikes, be ready with DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. Small enough to go with you anywhere. Powerful enough to shape what happens next. An all-new dual camera system gives you complete freedom to capture every perspective. Create freely, from expansive landscapes to intimate details, without ever losing a moment. With 17 stops of dynamic range, now paired with D-Log 2, you're never missing any details, even in harsh lighting. Not just capturing what's there, but preserving it exactly as you experienced it. Then, when you choose to slow things down, 4K at 240 frames per second gives you the power to hold on to the moment even longer. DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is designed to move with you. A compact form and rotatable touchscreen are built to adapt in real time as your perspective changes. On the move, there's no time to second guess. ActiveTrack 8.0 locks onto your subject, so you can focus on the bigger picture. Even in the city rush, it knows exactly who to follow. Backed by 3-axis mechanical stabilization, every step remains smooth, controlled, and composed. And with 103 gigabytes of internal storage, you're free to keep shooting for longer. From quiet landscapes to the rhythm of the city, low-light performance maintains clarity as conditions change, wherever the night takes you. Capture every moment, sharp, alive, and everyone in focus. With subtle beauty effects, you can shape a look that feels considered and natural. Because this isn't about reacting to life as it happens. It's about shaping it as you go.